What's up there, sports card world? Cody here with Card Attractions, back with a brand new video. Saturday morning, we got 7 blasters of some 2021 Topps Heritage. Look for limited and exclusive 1972 Topps Venezuela stamps. Cool. So we are going to rip right into these and see what we get. Hopefully you guys got a good start to your weekend. Actually found some football cards yesterday, some contenders, so I was kind of excited about that. Alright, there's one box. 7 boxes. Anybody new to the channel, I do appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, as well as drop a like on the video. I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway right now, on my way to 1,000K. When I get there, I'm giving away 2 free hobby boxes. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. 7 months of mail. I hate for anybody to miss out on some cards. Oh. 72 cards in each blaster. 7 blasters. I actually got a mega box of these too, but I'll rip it at a later date. Alright, last one, and we start ripping the packs. Nice, there we go. Alright, let's see. Let's tilt this down just a little more. There we go. We got Cody Bellinger. We got Mookie Betts. Charlie Blackmon. Shohei Ohtani. Kevin Pillar. Joey Votto. DeGrom, Bauer, and Nola. Pujols, Ramirez, Ruiz, Contreras. Yeah, this is a good one. Dylan Carlson, Evan White. Nice one to start off with. Andrew McCutchen, good one. Glaber. Yes, Monty Gondal. Tuve. Oh, there's a good one. Keep Brian Hayes. Joe Garcia. Very nice. We have a little mini card, Ernie Banks. Very interesting. A die cut. Trent Grisham. There we go. Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie. Let's leave that up. Longoria, Bellinger. But nothing terribly too big in that pack. Couple Ke'Bryan Hayeses and Dylan Carlson. Alright, let's go again. Alcantara, Gibson, Smith, Slater, Servino, Nate Pearson, Tommy Hunter, Freddie Freeman, Sheffield, Kingery, Luke Voigt. Oh, we got something coming up. Brett Anderson, Austin Meadows, here it is. Oh, really nice. Andrew McCutchen. And it is numbered 93 of 372. It's a really nice card. I watched the Phillies beat the Yankees the other day. Very, very nice card. Oh, Ryan Mountcastle. That's another good one. I always have a problem sleeving in front of the camera. Put that over there. We got another rookie coming up here. Sam Huff and Tanner Houck. Okay. Mazzara, Gray, Solat, Justin Verlander, Walker, Christian Yelich, Spencer Howard. Juan Soto, Freddie Freeman, and Marcell Ozuna. Keep that for the Soto. Means Gregory Soto. Marcell Ozuna, Freddie Freeman, and Manny Machado. Nelson Cruz, Roberto Clemente, Mike Yastrzemski. So that's it. That completes the first blaster box. We got a red Andrew McCutchen. We got some rookie cards. That's about it. Nothing big yet. Mitch Moreland, Eloy Jimenez, another Ke'Bryan Hayes there. Two of those now. Very nice. Servino, Chavez, Marte, Mazzara, Gray, Nate Pearson, Meadows, Oh, Ronald Acuna Jr. Hang on to that. Solak. Juan Soto, Freddie Freeman, Marcell Ozuna. Mookie Betts there. Like, this is almost a repeat. Alex Verdugo. Oh, there's a good one. Luis Garcia and Christian Pache. Sweet. Alright, this will finish off blaster number 2. Jose Abreu, Joe Kelly, Cruz, Peraza, Grisham, Hayward, Greeny, Franklin Kilomi, Ali Sanchez, Giolito, Tuve, Danny Mende, Jorge Soler, there's a nice Juan Soto, Ryan Mount Council, and Bobby Dahlbeck. Nice. Cody Bellinger, Donaldson, Chris Bubich, and Tristan McKenzie. Yelich. Dexter Fowler, Freddie Freeman. And that's it. Nothing really big in that one. Just kind of a dud box. Move on to the third box. Charlie Blackmon, Brian Reynolds, oh, Mike Trout, Mazar, Gray, Greg Jr., Candelario, Bryce Harper, Tampa Bay Rays. Nice card, I might keep that. Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Colton Wong, Nick Solak, Juan Soto again. Oh, here's a good one. Brady Singer and Nick Heath, Kansas City Royals. Yadier Molina, put that aside for my buddy. Matt Chapman means it's not. Sixto Sanchez and Jesus Sanchez. Nico Horner. That's funny. Another Marte, Barrios. Another Christian Pache and Luis Garcia. There you go, New Age Reformers, Nate Pearson. It's nice. I'll never really have too big of luck when I get Heritage. I still buy them. There's still cards out of them that I'm probably going to need in the long run. Alright, let's finish up 3 blasters here. Contreras, Hudson, Judge, Davies, Turner, Greeny, Sanchez, and Cool. Castellani. There we go. Brady Singer. Luis Garcia. Chris Bubich and Tristan McKenzie. Nice. Oh, Key Brian Hayes. It's like a little mini die cut. That might be a good one there. It's not numbered, but it's a pretty cool card. It's not giving me too many. Bryce Harper and Joe Morgan. Kyle Tucker. Alright, let's keep rolling. Freed, Galvis. There we go, another Ryan Mountcastle and Bobby Dalbec. Mondesi, Alec Baum. Very nice. Christian Pache again. That one's definitely off-centered, left to right. Not bad card though. Keston here. Jesus Luzardo. Nate Pearson, Tom Hatch. Joe Adele. No, Tab. Chris Bubich, Christian McKenzie, and Christian Yelich. We are on a roll of absolutely nothing. Keep Ryan Hayes, mini die cut. Some couple decent new rookies, and Andrew McCutchen red. That's not looking good so far. However, takes it one good one. Paul Goldschmidt. Nice Luis Robert. Hang on to that. More rookies here. We got Cody Whitley and Roel Ramirez. David Fletcher, New Age Reformers. Bo Bichette. Tommy LaStella. Sixto Sanchez. Clayton Kershaw. Shohei Ohtani. And a whole bunch of nothing. Alright guys, we got 3 more blasters left here, so alright. Got another Brady Singer in there. Whit Merrifield. Victor Reyes, Longoria, Cody Bellinger, Yuli Guerrero. Oh, it's a bunch of repeats. Juan Soto. Take that. Sixto Sanchez, Jesus Sanchez. That was a nice Mike Trout. I don't have. Hang on to that. Another Ryan Mountcastle. Always take those. Sam Huff, another rookie. That's it. What usually happens is I rip enough to not get a card that I want. But I end up having to buy them anyways. It always seems like my luck. Alright. DeGrom, Paddock. Another key Brian Hayes there. Got a good rookie selection. Spencer Howard. We got some color coming up. Nate Pearson. Finally. Aaron Judge. Spencer Turnbull. AJ Puck. Cole Calhoun. Dick Allen, Jose Abreu. Byron Buxton. Michael Taylor. It's a hollow coming up, looks like. Noah Syndergaard. Dylan Carlson. Definitely got to sleeve that up. And Patrick Corbin, and it's a Blake Snell. Well, darn it. And it's numbered 169 at 572. Really nice card. Wasn't somebody I was looking for, but still a nice card. We got a chrome. I thought it was a hollow. We got a chrome. Well, I guess it was hollow and a red. So not nobody I'm looking for. Luis Robert. First one off the jump. Make sure there ain't nothing inside the plastic. Sometimes dust gets in there. And you don't even know it until it's too late. Cody Whitley, them again. Alex Bregman. Oh, here we go. We got a bunch of color in this pack. This box. Heck yeah. Jesus Lazardo. We got purple. Max Scherzer. It's gonna be a hot box. Still, it's nobody I want. Bullshit. Ooh, really nice. Dylan Carlson. Like that. There's a little white speck on there. Let me sleeve this up really quick. Maybe. There we go. That is a nice one there. Dylan Carlson and Evan White. This is not numbered, but sure is a really nice one. So, towards the end of the video and the boxes brighten up. More rookies there. Kershaw. Tejeda and Tabra. And who's this? Ian Anderson, Christian Javier, and Garcia. Nice cards. Not one I really wanted, but it's still a nice one. Paul Goldschmidt. David Peterson and Andres Jimenez. Eloy Jimenez. Zach Greinke. So I wonder if the rest of the packs are all going to have purples in them too. Being a hot box, that's usually what happens. No number on this. Really nice though. Jacob deGrom. In that bag. So we shouldn't possibly have some more. Yes, sir. Very nice. This is the one thing I like about the Heritage, just getting the hot boxes. You never know what you're going to get. All right. Ronald Acuna. Pujols. Vladdy Guerrero. Keep him. Justin Dunn. Really nice Shane Bieber there. Sixto Sanchez. Ramirez. That's a good one. Fernando Tatis Jr. Next one we got is Eloy Jimenez purple. Super nice. Take that one. Got Shohei Ohtani. Got Alex Verdugo. They might have had 2 hot boxes in a row. Charlie Blackmon. Longoria. Oh. Marcell Ozuna, Fernando Tatis, Pete Alonso, Mookie Betts, Cole Calhoun, Adam Duvall, Manny Machado, and A.J. Pollock. Keep this for the Tatis, but this... crazy. 8 players on 1 card. Bryce Harper, Tommy La Stella. Here we go, purple. It's a Shohei Ohtani. It's not bad. Could have been better, but it's not bad. He's been playing pretty good, so. Very nice. Bryce Harper. Alright guys, we got one box left. We did pull a hot box. I doubt we can do it twice. It'd be super awesome if we did. Nope. I think last year I only pulled one hot box too out of the Heritage. Yadier Molina, Ryan Mountcastle, Cody Bellinger, Mookie Betts, Juan Soto, Dylan Cease, Kyle Schwarber, Chris Paddock. Oh, there's another good one. Casey Mize, Church School. Hang on to that. Eloy Jimenez, Shelly Blackman, Ruiz, Galvis, Ke'Bryan Hayes again. So, 3 or 4 of them already I pulled. Nice Kyle Lewis there. Shane Bieber, Lucas Giolito, and Garrett Cole. There we go. Jake Cronenworth. There we go. Big rookie name. Nice. Grandal. Christian Yelich. Nate Pearson. Meadows. Luke Voigt. It's a lot of Heritage here. Yeah, last 4 packs, guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping in and watching the channel. Those of you who have subscribed, thank you guys very much. And those of you that are just new and joining to the channel, I do appreciate it if you hit that subscribe, man. It always helps out. We'll get to that 1,000 subscriber mark so I can start doing live videos. It's gonna be fun. Keep the hobby going. Mondesi, another Alec Bohm there. Jose Altuve. Not seeing anything huge. Another Luis Robert. It's just how it is sometimes, guys. You got Ryan Mountcastle on the last card. Alright. That is it, guys. That does complete our break today. We're going to do a little recap of a few cards that we picked up. We pulled out of these boxes. Just trying to get some stuff together over here. So I got two different piles of rookies. I've got, to me, the big hit rookies, and then I got the ones that I don't really know too much about right now. My little PC pile, though. Juan Soto, Luis Robert, Juan Soto. 8-player card there. Fernando Tatis, Vladi, Ronald, Luis Robert again. Mike Trout, Luis Robert. Mike Trout, Juan Soto, Freddie Freeman, Marcell Ozuna, Ronald Acuna, and the same one there again. So these are just cards I set aside to put in my PC. And they pull these little mini cards. I'll have to check them out. But this one's actually a Ke'Bryan Hayes rookie. Like die cut. So they're pretty cool cards there. Definitely have to check into them. Let's go here with our regular rookie cards. So, of course, we got Ryan Mountcastle, Bobby Dahlbeck, Alec Baum, Jake Cronenworth, Ke'Bryan Hayes, Casey Mize, Turk Skubal, Ryan Mountcastle, Dylan Carlson, Ke'Bryan Hayes again, Ryan Mountcastle, Bobby Dahlbeck, Ryan Mountcastle, Bobby Dahlbeck, Ryan Mountcastle. It's pretty hot in this box. Christian Pache and Luis Garcia, Alec Baum, Brady Singer, Luis Garcia, Christian Pache again, Brady Singer and Nick Heath. Get the Luis Garcia, Christian Pache again, Ke'Bryan Hayes, got quite a bit of them. Ke'Bryan Hayes and Jose Garcia. And Dylan Carlson, Evan White. So, to me, them are the big hit rookies that I got out of here. And then we did get some purple cards. Shohei Ohtani, Alex Verdugo, Eloy Jimenez, Shane Bieber, Zach Greinke, Delvi Garcia, Ian Anderson, and Christian Javier, and then Max Scherzer. That's for the purples. We got these little tabs too: Joe Adell, Christian Yelich, and Juan Soto. Pulled this really nice red Andrew McCutchen, number 93 of 372. Just thick cards. Very nice card though. Pulled this Blake Snell. And it's numbered out of 169 out of 572. And then last but not least, I was pretty happy with this. Dylan Carlson, Evan White, purple and red. It's not numbered, but just a nice card. So that is it, guys. That completes the break today. Like I said, I do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot for stopping in. Stay tuned, and I'll be back ripping. Thanks, guys, and have a great weekend.